Hello everyone! So in this quick tutorial, I just want to show you how to use keyboard shortcuts to become more efficient when managing your leads. So let's get to it. I'm just going to open this lead here and choose and show you here that in the Actions menu, you now have several shortcuts available. So A to assign to someone, E to add it, S to change the status, R to set a reminder, the dollar key to set an amount and a probability, and the star key to start a lead. But also you can use the C to comment on a lead, the escape to close a lead or any window, and the arrows of your keyboard to move from one lead to another. Okay, so let me just show you quickly. For example, I want to unstar this lead. I can click on the start key. I press the start key to start again. I want to set a new reminder. I just press the R key and it opens the calendar so I can choose a new date. I save this action. I need to comment. I press the C key. It opens the comment box. I comment on it. And then I want to save this. I press Control Enter and my comment is saved. I want to change the amount or add an amount. I click on the dollar key and I just add the amount and the probability and save this. If I wish to close this window, I click on Escape. If I wish to create a new lead, I press the N key and it opens a new lead window. I need to move from one lead to another. I use the arrows of my keyboard. I close it and escape. Voila! I hope you like this. Bye!